Honey, every morning must don't forget to use the sunscreen. Yeah. So, nag-ready na ko kay kuan, ihatuday na ko si Courage. So, di man ko mag-makeup, so mag-concealer ako. Di naman ko hilig mag-makeup karon. So, una, foundation, eyebrows, blush, unsa pa diha. Karon concealer ah. Wala na akong ginabuhat. Tabod na yung kuan. Eye bag sa mata. Tapos lipstick mura. Sa pa may pagupahan. Nga mahal sa bana bisag pangit. Bisag walay ligo or walay hilamos. Duha ka lalaki nga nagmal sa ako as okay na na. Huwag na may lain nga. Ay, hamta para lip balm. Di para di mag... Ayaw mag-judge nga akong gisuot the same dress. The same pangbahay. Kaya kuan. Makubako. Limpyo ko no. Hilo mo diha. Yung mag-judge ako ah. Diyos. George, nasuko sa camera. Yun sa kayo istoryaan eh. Alangan ka mo, nagtanaw sa akong videos ba? Sige, judge ninyo ko. So, manang mother, now glowing. Pretty. Sus awake. My honey boo-boo. Honey Bobo! Say hello to my vlog!
Hello!
Hello! Ooh! Hi, Karazila! Ilis na ta! Diri ko mag-ilis sa ubos. Kay...
1 o'clock. Ali,
Naman ko sinina diri.
come on, get this boy ready, man.
I am! Kung anak, unahon sa. Kay nasuko na sa bana. Ito na una magsuot pero...
When are you going to nursery? 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Kung anong sinina niya. Sapatos.
Huh?
Let's go, Courage! Hurry up!
Mommy's calling you. This t-shirt is wet.
Courage! Come on! Ay!
Mommy's calling you.
Apatapati, apatapati. Uh-huh.
You see, Papa, not Papa, Papa.
Ajis! Don't tell Mama Ajis! Ajis! Okay, mag-uniform na si Courage! Naku, na ipakita sa inyo kayo ina. Ayun dyan! Apatapati, apatapati. Apatapati, apatapati. Apatapati. Siya! Ako na pod.
Yeah?
Obviously, di mo makakita. Ito. Honey Bobo is combing Courage hair.
Hey!
Ako, ready na ko. Outfit for today. Big ass. Oh, yes. Play-doh ko. Ito krabita to. Mag-ready na po kukakuha. Sa una, iguod ka lang na natin. Ako'y pakialam kung unsay. Kung outfit, basta lang ma. Basta comfortable ko, tapos warm. Outfit for today. Work it, girl. Work
I
it.
know that you comb your hair. That
Work
you,
it.
That you are dancing. You want me to comb your hair, you will
Tagad tugnaw karon.
on your leg.
Courage. Jacket time. Come.
Courage. Courage,
Where's
let's
your
go.
jacket? Honey, where's his jacket?
Courage, let's go. Let's go. Daddy can wash you there.
Courage. Here. Oi.
Stop. Give daddy kiss on. Kiss on, yeah? Don't forget to give daddy kiss on. Courage, look. Courage, look. Kiss on. Yeah. Put your
Kiss
chin.
on.
Yeah. Kiss on.
Mwah, mwah.
Don't forget.
Mayroon dyan sa buhok. Kailangan basta guwapa nagyapon. Hulat lang si Manoy. Ani, give my key. Hapo ka my key.
Don't forget kiss on, courage.
Let's go! Yay! Ano magulan na po ni. Dili. Asa ta paingon, re? Courage, asa ta paingon? Courage is going nursery today. Wow! Across the road. Where did he put the car? There's the car. Yay! Let's go. In. In. Quick. Courage. We go. So, mo drive na papaingon. Let's Ay! Ay! Late na mi. So, baby girl. Forward ka ka. Gamay ta. Ito makaabot atong kuan. Where's Courage going today? Courage is going nursery today. Wow. Okay. Itang pwede mag-video kay bawal. Ita lang na itong gamay. So where's my Courage going today? Courage? Where's Courage going today? Go! See you na lang. Nami! Hi, Courage! Hi! Hi! Kapot lang din. Late na siya. Mga 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Oops! Oh no, oh no. Can't leave that here. Nagbong ko ang water niya. Okay, bag here. Come on, let's go.